Hello there, grade. Today, you guys are going to work with subtracting with regrouping using the base 10 models. So, this is the center you will be working with in your Google Drive. It is shared with you in Google Classroom, and you'll be able to open it up and work through these slides on your own. So, when you go to the first slide here, it asks you to use models to subtract and to drag the pieces to show the differences. So, what you're going to do is the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at the larger number and you're going to build it with your base 10 models. So, we have 182. So, we will drag 100 and then we will need 8 of our 10 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 180 and we need 2 ones. So we will drag over 1 and 2. Okay, so then just like always, we need to start, when we subtract, we need to start with our ones column. And as you can see in our ones column in 182, we have a 2, and in our 64, there's a 4. So we know that we're going to have to regroup because we cannot subtract 2 from 4. So, or 4 from 2. So what we're going to need to do is to regroup is we're going to have to take a 10 bar away. Okay, and we're going to have to add 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we can subtract because now we have this broken into 10 cubes. So now we can take 4 away. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and so now we're going to go to our tens column to subtract. And we know we have 7 in here because we already took away one of our 10 bars when we regrouped for the ones. So now we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we need to subtract 6. So let's subtract our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we can move this over so it's easier to count if you'd like. And then we don't need to take any away from our hundreds because we have already subtracted our tens and we can just bring down the 100. So now our answer is 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I can plug in here that my number is 118. Let's try one more. 352 minus 147. So let's build our larger number. 1, 2, 300. Move that around a little so you could see it a little better. So we have 300 and then we need 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we need 2 ones. 1, 2. Okay, so now going to our ones to begin subtracting since we've built our 352. We know we're going to have to regroup because we can't take 7 from 2. So let's go ahead and move a 10 out and add 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now that we regrouped, we can subtract 7. So let's go ahead and take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now looking to our tens, we know we're down to 4 because we had to regroup. So now we need to take 4 from 4. So we'll take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we move to the hundreds, and we have 300, and we need to take away 100. So we can take away 100, and now we can see that we have 200s, 0 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 205. Okay, there is 2 examples, and now it's time for you all to start getting busy. I will move these back, and you will be able to rebuild those on your own. So the first 2 have been done for you, but I still want you to go ahead and do it on your own, and then the rest of them up to slides 9 you will do on your own as well. Don't forget to build them, regroup them, and type in the answer. Time to get started.